Here is another question from one of our viewers who wanted to know the minimum floor joist size that you could use to install a bathtub and the trap. And even though these plumbing pipes are to scale, the connections to the bathtub are not. And you can see right here where this is not quite going to work here and might require this to be a little bit lower. Now I went ahead and I did the math for the trap, so that would be the distance from about here to about here for an 1.5 inch trap, and I think I come up with something between 5.5 and 6 inches. And keep in mind that the bottom of the bathtub is not going to be even with the top of the floor sheathing. It's usually about an inch or two higher. And keep in mind that in this example here, we could always move the trap up higher. We could have this connect right to here, or use different fittings. For example, you might be able to find a fitting that has a male connection here and a female connection here that might raise the bottom of the trap up a little bit more, maybe 1/2 inch. But the real problem here isn't really the depth of the joist. It's how the plumbing is going to be connected and how many holes you might need to drill through the floor joist and where those holes might be positioned, along with the weight of the bathtub. For example, a 2x6 isn't going to be as strong as a 2x12. And I went ahead and consulted the ultimate master that we have to deal with nowadays, artificial intelligence, and they suggested using a 2x12 as the minimum floor joist size. But after reading all of their information, I get it. The reason why is because of the weight of the bathtub when it's filled with water and how many holes you're going to be drilling with the floor joist. So I went ahead and did my own modifications. I think the minimum size you might be able to use will be a 2x8 floor joist. And this will be based off of the height of the trap, not how many holes you're going to be drilling through the joist. And if you don't like that, you might consider raising the bathtub. For example, if I'm going to use 2x6 floor joist to save some money on my project, then I might be able to raise the bathtub 2 inches to have everything fit in the floor joist. Or I can drop the ceiling around the area where the trap is going to be protruding lower than the floor joist. And this might be as simple as just simply dropping a small section. And this is actually something I had to do on a job one time where I had existing 2x6 floor joist. So again, that would just simply be to frame a little box around any of the plumbing that is protruding below the bottom of the floor joist so that you can drywall it. And the last thing I want to mention, even though it might not be approved by your local building codes, and I have never ever seen one installed, will be the possibility of using a low profile plumbing trap. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.